Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we have Samsung Galaxy A05 and how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy A05, A04, A05s. All these are related phones. So the new A5 series, A06 series, you can hard reset using the same method. So how to do that? First you need to have a USB cable connected to your PC or laptop. Without this cable you won't be able to get into the recovery. So let's get started. I'm gonna connect this cable which is connected to my laptop. So here I'm gonna hold volume down and power button together and keep your screen alive. The second you see the phone reboots, quickly jump from volume down to volume up, and I'm gonna keep holding these two buttons until you get into the recovery. So the second you see Samsung logo, you can release power button while keep holding the volume up. So here we are in the recovery. So you can see this, you can wipe data and factory reset, wipe cache partition. So from here you can use this volume button to navigate and press this power button to perform the action. So I'm going to say wipe data factory reset, and the factory reset, it will delete everything from your phone. As you can see the warning on your screen, so just press the power button and your phone is formatting, and that's it. So here I'm gonna wipe cache partition also. Press power button, select yes, power button again, and your cache partition has also been reset and been formatted. So from here you can reboot the system now, and that's it. Okay, that's all. And from this screen you can start fresh. And that's all for now. Your phone is being reset, everything's been deleted from your phone, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more.